What's the meaning of aggressiveness? Aggressiveness. 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 Aggressiveness refers to a behavioral trait characterized by a tendency to engage in hostile or violent actions towards others. Such behavior may be driven by a desire for control, dominance, or self-preservation. Aggressiveness can be displayed in various forms, including physical violence, verbal aggression, and passive-aggressive behavior. This trait can have negative consequences for both the aggressor and those on the receiving end, often leading to conflict, injury, or even emotional trauma. It is important to address the underlying causes of aggression to promote healthy relationships and prevent harm.